Did you know you can create professional-looking images with simple prompts completely for free? No design skills, no Photoshop, no expensive software, just text. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We'll start from absolute zero. I'm talking one-word prompts, and by the end, you'll be writing prompts that produce camera-quality results that honestly look like they came from a professional photographer. You can call this as your beginner's guide to AI image generation. Let's get into it. So first, what exactly is AI image generation? Simply put, you type a description, and an AI turns it into a real image. It's like telling a super fast artist what to draw, except the artist is a computer that learned from millions of photos and artworks. Now the big question, what free tools can you use? Here are the top 4 I recommend. Google Image FX, free in your browser, powered by Google AI, super clean results, and very beginner-friendly. Whisk AI by Google Labs, free and unique because you get unlimited image generation, great for experimenting. Leonardo AI, free plan available, gives more creative control. Google Flow, free to use and comes with access to Nano Banana 2, one of Google's most powerful AI models, so you get great quality without paying anything. For this video, I'll be using Google Flow, but the prompting techniques work on any of them. Once your project is open, select Image and choose your aspect ratio horizontal for landscape shots or vertical for portraits. Set the number of images per generation to 2. As you can see, image generation is powered by Nano Banana 2 at absolutely no cost. Level 1 is where everyone starts, and honestly where most people stop. We're just going to type simple descriptions and see what comes out. Let's try a lion. See, the AI gives us a lion. It works, but notice it's very generic. We didn't say anything about style, lighting, or mood, so the AI just guessed. Let's try another, a woman smiling. Again, it works, but it's very average. This is level 1, prompting you get results, but nothing special. The key lesson: simple prompts give you simple results. The more information you give the AI, the more control you have over what you get. Welcome to level 2, where things start getting exciting. We're going to add 3 things to every prompt: a setting, a style, and a mood. Let's upgrade the lion prompt. A lion standing on a rocky cliff at sunset, painted in watercolor style, dramatic and powerful mood. Look at that difference. Same subject, but now it has a location, an art style, and a feeling. Much more interesting. Now the woman prompt. A smiling woman sitting in a cozy coffee shop, warm afternoon light, soft and happy mood, in a photorealistic style. So much richer. You're giving the AI a real picture in your mind, and it delivers something far closer to what you want. Quick level, 2 tips. Think about where your subject is: indoor, outdoor, fantasy world. Pick an art style: realistic, cartoon, oil painting, sketch, 3D render, cinematic. Add an atmosphere: peaceful, moody, energetic, mysterious. This is the level most people never reach, and it's where the magic happens. Level 3 is about thinking like a photographer. We add camera settings, lighting, and quality keywords to make images look like they came from a professional photo shoot. Lighting words you can use: golden hour light, warm, glowing, sunrise, sunset feel. Soft studio lighting, clean, professional, even shadows. Rim lighting, bright edge around subject, very dramatic. Overcast natural light, soft, no harsh shadows. Camera words to add: shot on 85mm lens, for classic portrait look. Shallow depth of field, blurry background, subject pops. Wide angle shot or close-up shot, controls camera distance. Shot on Sony A7 III or Canon 5D, mimics a DSLR look. Always end your prompt with quality keywords. Highly detailed, 8K resolution, photorealistic, sharp focus, professional photography. Full level 3 example. A young woman in a white linen dress standing in a sunflower field, golden hour lighting with warm sun rays behind her, shot on 85mm lens with shallow depth of field, soft smile, cinematic and dreamy mood, shot on Canon 5D Mark IV, highly detailed, 8K, photorealistic, sharp focus. Compare that to a woman smiling. Same subject, completely different quality. Here's another product photo example, both image and the prompt used. That looks like it came from a real ad campaign and you created it with just text. Before we wrap up, here are the mistakes beginners make most. Too vague. Make something beautiful, gives the AI nothing to work with. Always describe what you actually see in your head. Conflicting ideas. A beach in winter with summer vibes confuses the AI. Keep your prompt focused on one clear scene. Not regenerating. If the first result isn't great, change one word and try again. AI is random. Keep generating. Forgetting quality keywords. Without highly detailed or photorealistic, you risk flat or blurry images. Always end with quality boosters. And that's it. You now know the 3 levels of AI image prompting, from basic one-word prompts all the way to professional camera-grade descriptions. Here's your challenge. Go to any free tool I mentioned, pick one subject, and write a level 3 prompt using everything we covered today. In the next video, I will walk you through generating videos with free tools.